Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to write the letter S. The letter S has a lot of varieties, but not so much real lettering artists or kind of starting lettering artists can do a lot of varieties of it. But that's the one of the most important and cool looking letters, which you can always use. It's pretty common, and you will really need to learn how to properly write the letter S, because that's one of the most important ones. Okay, let's start with the pretty basic one from cursive. You have the first stroke here and go down a little bit, the same way, go down, make a curve and make a connection here. That's the most basic one. Also you can make the connection a little bit lower. That's probably the easier way to do this one, or you can have it inside here, something like this, or you can break it somewhere in the middle and make like this. So you see here we are kind of going backwards a little bit on this one, and here we can have a little drop. It will also look nice, but as well we can have it without this part here and go straight like this, or even connect it with a different stroke here. So you see here a little bit more. Okay, and as well you can make a little knot here and go down, or make it a not round but with a little angle. Something like this. And when using the knot here, you can go slightly upper than your line height. And as for this one, you can actually also make it something like this, so not connect to anything and just lettering goes on. And more classic S will look something like this. You can also use it. I'm not a big fan of it. Or if you make it a big S, that will make it better, but it's also the one you can use. Okay, let's get to practice now. The trick here is to find the ideal way to make the second stroke here, because that's the most important one and the one that will need some corrections or something on the starting level, because it's pretty difficult to make it the same angle as the letters before it. It can either go a little bit to the left or to the right, so you will need some practice with this one. Okay, let's start with the basic one, and here let's make the one with a knot a bit down like this. Let's make one of the easiest ones like this. Let's have it connected and going further. Or without breaking the line, something like this. Let's make a connection stroke here with another line this. And that one is more from the sign paint and stuff, which is becoming really popular now. That's the one where you don't need this part and just go straight down like this. Yes. And the more elegant one, yes, the knot up top here and here. Yes. And let's make the one with an angle. And the last one, it resembles the bigger A connection here. Yes, that's how you write it with a brush pen. And now let's try it in a word. We will start with the word super, and I will use this letter. S, U, can have the B a little bit higher. Add a little knot here. That's super. Okay. Let's try something different. Probably something like this one for the word sail. And let's here. Yes, sail. Let's move on to I guess something like this with a knot up top, and the word would be roast. Okay, let's make it like this. And here comes the letter S. I decided to make it like this. Going up, a little knot here, going down, connector, and T. Okay, yes, something like this. And for the last one, I will write the word master. You can use the different one. And master. Which one can I choose? I guess the one, yes, the one here. And the crossbar above the T. Yes, that looks perfect. So you see here I've added a little knot, so I connected it actually like this. Connection here and go in here, make a knot and go here. This will also look super awesome on your lettering. Okay, now you can get right down to practice and try all the S's. And that will sound super weird out of context.